If your iPhone calls are not going through, or potentially they're dropping as soon as you try to make that call, that's no problem because there are some easy fixes that we can go through that definitely fix that issue, and you can start making and receiving calls from now on. So let's jump right in. The first thing we're going to do is make sure it's not an issue with your SIM card or your connection to the mobile network. To do that, first we can take your finger and swipe down from the top right, and then just tap on the airplane icon to connect to airplane mode, and then tap on it again, and this will disconnect from airplane mode, and it will toggle on AT&T or whatever mobile network you have. You can see it just reinitiates it here, and a lot of times that fixes the issue. However, if it doesn't, just tap on the Settings app on your iPhone, and then just tap on Cellular here midway down. From Cellular, let's scroll down, and you can see I have an eSIM, so it says AT&T, that's my carrier, and turn this line on. What I'm going to do is toggle the line off completely, and then just tap on that SIM and toggle it back on. This will reconnect your SIM card to your carrier and reinitiate everything. If you have a physical SIM card, all you're going to do is get a little paper clip and eject the physical SIM card and then put it back in. Now, the next thing we're going to do is tap the back arrow, tap the back arrow again, and then from here, we're going to scroll down and tap on General midway down. If that doesn't fix your issue, scroll to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then just choose the Reset option at the top. From here, let's choose Reset Network Settings. You can see when you do that, just enter in the passcode you use to unlock your phone, and it will reset all of the network settings, including your phone's connection to your cellular network back to factory default. So just tap on that red Reset Network Settings. However, if that doesn't fix it, let's just tap the back arrow to get to the beginning of your settings. And now from here, just tap on General, and then tap on About at the top. What you're going to do is wait to see if it pops up with an option that says a carrier update is available. You can essentially just wait 10 seconds. If it is an update available, it'll pop up right around here, and you'll be able to install that carrier update. However, if that doesn't work for you, there's another potential issue that your phone could be trying to use Wi-Fi instead of cellular data. So let's get that fixed as well. Tap on the back arrow at the top left and back again. And let's go back to Cellular here midway down. Now from here, if I scroll down past cellular data options, you can see Wi-Fi Assist. It says automatically use Wi-Fi or cell data when Wi-Fi is turned on. Let's turn that off. But also in addition to that, we're going to tap the back arrow, scroll down to the bottom, and tap on Apps at the bottom. From here, let's scroll down again until we get to Phone on this list. Just tap on Phone here. And then scroll down until we get to Wi-Fi calling. This is a big potential reason. You might have Wi-Fi calling turned on or off. So if it is turned on, try toggling it off and making that call to see if it works. And if it does, that was great. Or if it's not working and it's off, toggle it on and try it with Wi-Fi calling turned on. Both of those settings could potentially fix your issue. If it still doesn't fix the issue, let's do a force restart or force reset. It's completely safe, doesn't delete out anything. So I'll show you how that works. Press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold that side button. Now, you're just going to press the side button until you see the entire iPhone screen go black. And then keep holding, and you'll wait until you see the Apple logo. When you do see the Apple logo, you can release your fingers, and this should fix your issue. Now, at this point, a lot of channels ask you to like or subscribe. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to thank you for spending a couple minutes of your day here with me. I know your time is valuable, and I really hope this video helped you out today and made your life a little easier.